Let me see. No, we're actually live on Instagram right
dear.
now. What are you doing?
I am trying to make this thing pretty.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Attaching it in.
Show it to her.
You want to turn it around? Let me see.
Oh, the bow looks cute.
Look at this. She's never made a wreath before. Handmade by wrapping curly willow into a circle to make a wreath.
It looks good.
And then adding some elements. So we got dried yarrow. We've got the wood flower that's hand carved out of yarrow root. And, tapioca root. Eucalyptus. That's really pretty. You gonna tie a bow on that, you think?
I got a bow.
Oh, I went right by it. There it is. Pumpkin ribbon. Gorgeous.
Should I tip what I find?
Yeah, we can make it a little more secure. Can I see yours? Yes.
More, for sure. I'm going to do a little bow action down here.
A little bow action would be
Something
nice.
else.
Okay. Looking good. Everybody's adding their own touch. Love it. That's gorgeous. Here's one that was finished, prototype. And everybody's doing such a great job. Love it.
We should touch on the two ones.